have 5 seconds to stand up and walk out. No, there's no holding.
Talking to my mom.
You're gonna go to jail.
Stand up then. Stand up.
Go.
All right, stand up.
Let me go. I will leave. I will leave. I will leave. You don't have to arrest me. What are you talking about? What did I do?
Date the 7th of May, 2025. Location Starbucks jurisdiction, unconfirmed subject holds California identification. Officers dispatched for trespass enforcement. Encounter escalated to physical arrest. Charges filed criminal trespass and resisting arrest.
Okay, 916, 912.
Hey, I want you to leave. Let's go.
They've requested that you move along, okay? Grab your phone and let's go.
912.
What's your name?
They want you to move along. The store is requesting that you grab your stuff.
912, 9685.
So grab your phone and let's go. You can keep talking as you're going, okay?
Wait a minute, hold on. What are you guys talking about? Hold on, Mom. Mom, hold on. Stay on the phone.
The store.
Stay on the phone!
Ma'am, the store is asking for you to leave. They want you to head out.
For me to leave? For what?
Yes. They said
What did I do?
They said you've been here too long. It's at their
I
discretion.
literally just got here like 20 minutes ago.
Okay.
What are you talking about?
I'm just telling you what
are
they
talking
said.
About?
I can't say what they're saying.
Question. What's going on?
The store is asking for you to leave.
Question. What's going on?
I just told you the store wants you to leave.
I'm over here talking to... Mom, do you hear me? I'm in Starbucks. All of a sudden, the security start popping up for no reason.
We're not security, we're police, and the store has asked for you to move along.
The security is asking me to move along.
Ma'am, I'm not security, I'm a police officer.
Don't talk to me like that. First of all, those are not my pronouns. Second of all, I'm not talking.
Okay.
Does not involve you.
It does.
Nothing personal. I'm not.
They've asked you to
I'm talking
leave.
to my mom.
Okay.
Please.
You can talk to her outside.
Please, hold on. I'm talking to my mom.
Ma'am, are you gonna leave?
What's your pronoun?
Hold on. For one, I'm getting asked to leave out of here for no reason.
If you don't leave, you're going to be placed under arrest.
Hold on.
Nope, there's no holding on. Do you want to go to jail?
Hold on. They're talking about arresting me for no reason.
Okay, you have 5 seconds to stand up and walk out. No, there's no holding.
I'm talking to my mom.
Alright, you're going to go to jail.
No. Wow, they're taking me to jail. I'm leaving.
Okay, stand up then. Stand up.
Let me go.
All right, stand up.
Let me go.
Use your legs.
I'm
Stand
leaving.
up.
Stand up.
Let me go. I'm leaving.
Stop.
Okay, stand up.
Let me go and I'll leave.
If you're leaving,
Let me
stand
go
up.
and I'll
No,
leave.
stand up.
Why are you
Stand
arresting me
up.
like I've done something wrong?
Placed under arrest.
I haven't done anything.
Stand up.
What do you mean trespass? Mom, you're talking about trespass. I'm on the phone with my mom. Can you let me go?
Hands behind your
I
back.
haven't done anything.
Hands behind your back.
I will leave. I will leave. I will leave. You
Okay.
don't have to arrest me.
Here's your phone.
First of all, I will leave. Let me go. You don't have to arrest me. You don't have to arrest me. I'll leave. I'll leave. I said I will leave. I said I will leave. What are you talking about? I'm on the phone with my mom.
When I get pushed against the table, stop tensing up.
I'm leaving.
Nope, you had your chance.
What do you mean? I have my chance, Mom. They're saying I have my chance. What are you talking about? What did I do? What did I do?
You were asked to leave by the store. You were asked to leave by us.
First of all, I said I will leave.
No,
First
you did
of all, I
not.
said I will leave, and now they're arresting me.
Okay, let's go.
Mom.
We're going outside.
Mom.
We're going outside.
Mom. What the did I do? I didn't do anything but sit in a Starbucks. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I said I would leave, and now you're arresting me. Like I've done something wrong. What am I under prosecution for? What am I under arrest for? What am I under
Criminal
arrest
trespass in the first degree.
trespassing? What am I under arrest for? What am I under arrest for?
This way.
What am I under arrest for? Why are you twisting my arm?
Because you're fighting me.
Why are you twisting my arm when I'm asking you what am I under arrest
Criminal
for?
trespass in the first degree.
Mom,
Stop.
they're Mom, they're twisting my fucking arm for no reason when I didn't even How the fuck can I walk away when they're arresting me for no reason talking about I'm trespassing at Starbucks? When the whole time me and you were talking the whole time. What was I doing?
Asked to
You're
leave.
crazy as
Refuse to leave.
Don't twist my f***ing arm again. Don't twist my arm again like you're not strong. You know that you're strong. Don't twist my f***ing arm.
Stop.
Like I'm trying to tell you.
Stop.
I'm holding
Then stop
still, but you
resisting.
keep
You're
twisting
not.
my fucking arm. Like I keep telling you not to.
Stop.
Okay, you're tough. You're tough. You're tough. There's nothing in my fucking coffee.
We have
You're
to check.
tough. You're so fucking tough. Get your fucking hand off my face.
Stop. Get your mouth away from my hand.
First
You've had
of all,
plenty of time
you're
to
tough.
calm down.
You're tough.
You're
tough.
not calming down.
Just do it.
Relax.
Just do it. Just do it.
We have to search
Just
your
do
person.
It. Just do it.
Do you understand?
Just do it. Just do it.
Stop.
Why do you keep doing that? Like I keep telling you.
Let's get her on the ground.
What is wrong with you?
Yes, we need another unit.
You're gonna grab left side or you're gonna get her on the
What
ground?
did I do? You're acting like I did something wrong. Let me go.
Stop.
Is she in
Stop
training?
fighting.
Is she in training? Let me go. Arrest me already.
You're under arrest.
Arrest me already. Why is
You are
she all up
currently
in my fucking ass? Let me go.
You're currently resisting.
Let me go! Why are you all up in my ass? Get off of me! The fuck is she in training like I keep asking you? What the f did I do wrong? I'm at Starbucks and
She's
nothing
in cuffs.
went wrong.
She's just
Yeah, she's
tensing
in
up.
training clearly.
'Cause now you got a bunch of people coming. We could just calm down, search your person, put you in the car, place you under arrest, take you to jail. You're making this harder than it has to be. Can you calm down? Can you stand up like a normal person? Perfect. Stop tensing. You see how you're tense? You see how that's an issue?
You took me from Starbucks for no reason.
You're
Why
placed under
else
arrest
would I
for
be
criminal
tense?
trespass.
Let me go.
No, we're not letting you go. You're under
Get your
arrest.
fucking hand off of my head.
No, you're tensing up. Okay.
She never chose to be a police
Are you
officer.
gonna let my partner search you now?
Come into Starbucks for no reason.
Are you gonna
Get
let
somebody
my partner
who's actually doing a crime. Get somebody who's actually doing something serious. But you don't. Your tax dollars go to something completely sinister, and you don't know that you're crazy.
Stop
Don't
tensing
fucking
your arm.
do that.
Stop tensing
We're
your arm.
not telling you the truth.
Stop tensing your arm.
What is wrong with you? You're so tough. I was in the military.
Okay.
Get the off me. You don't think. Ooh, you don't care either. It's what's crazy. Get your hand off my head. Like I'm just some animal. I'm not some animal. Oh yeah, you guys are. You're definitely in training.
Howdy. Can you do me a favor?
Yeah. Stop
Hold her against
resisting.
my car.
Yeah.
We haven't even
Stop resisting.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're
All right. Hey, easy. Easy.
So much more comfortable.
Okay. Stop resisting.
to the side.
Okay.
Just because I'm in fucking Starbucks, I get arrested. Like
Are you gonna be cool if I put you in the car?
in the car.
All right,
Okay.
we're gonna walk you to the car. Do not resist.
Okay. Wait. Let's grab
Are
this.
these officers in training?
Yeah. I
This is
got
my
you.
AirPod. This
Okay.
is my
I got you.
AirPod.
Hey, I'm gonna
Take
hold
the
on
other
to.
one out of my ear and put
Okay.
them in the case.
Yeah. I will.
please.
I will.
The other one out of my ear.
I got you. I got you.
The phone is in the pocket. Did
Yeah,
you
I got it.
Yeah.
Get in the car.
Put the other one out of
Yeah,
my ear.
I
and
got
put
it.
in the case. This one right
Yeah.
here.
I got you. I got
Get
you.
in the car.
Don't force me like I'm a fucking animal. Look,
Get in
wait.
the car. Get in the car.
You must be in
Now.
training.
Hey, I
You
got you.
see? You see the earbud in my
I
ear?
got you. I got you.
Take it out.
There you
So
go.
I'm asking, why is she doing all
Hey,
this?
hey,
Don't push me like that. You're a fucking animal.
sit in the car.
You're a fucking animal.
Sit in the
Yeah,
car.
laugh.
I'm gonna go move those boxes.
I got it. I got it.
For no charges, for no cases. What are you grabbing on me for? I'm not
Because
doing
you're
nothing to
pulling away from
nobody. I'm not doing anything. She must be in training. Okay.
Sit back now.
Jesus Christ, get somebody who's much worse than me. You picked me up out of Starbucks doing nothing.
Oof, that one was feisty.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. They're under arrest for trespass, obviously they refused to leave, and then resisting arrest as well. Are you manager?
I'm a supervisor.
Okay. I'm gonna get your information, and then I'm gonna have you do a statement if you're willing.
Okay.
How long were they here for?
I would say about 45-ish minutes.
Okay, just in that classroom.
Well, they came in and they sat at the table that was outside of the room. It looked like she was coming in to ask the guy for money, and that's when I was kind of watching. But then she went and sat at the table. She wasn't purchasing anything, which that's kind of our policy, so we have to give them a little bit. And then I noticed that she kind of like was like waving her hands and like just wasn't acknowledging anybody.
Okay.
She moved to the conference room like about like 10 minutes later. She still didn't purchase anything, so then I went to go like let her know like, hey, you know, we had to purchase something. But when I went to go go up to her to let her know she wasn't acknowledging me.
Yeah.
All she did was have her hands down, like moving her hands around, have her head down, and then she said something like, "I just want to see like my daughter" or something, and then I was like, okay, she just wasn't like acknowledging me at all. So then I just like left, and then that's when I called you guys.
Okay, how many times did you ask her to leave?
Like once.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Oh, you know, making friends.
I just want to say thank you guys for your service.
Oh, that's very kind of you, ma'am.
I'm a huge fan. So,
Well, thank you.
and all this other crap that's going on,
Well, we'll do our best
Be
to...
safe.
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that.
safe. Do you know who
Relax.
Caitlyn Jenner is?
Caitlyn Jenner.
Yes.
No, not really.
You don't know who that is?
No, is that, Caitlyn Jenner, is that, what, Mr. Bruce Jenner who transitioned? Can you step back, please? Lean back. You're fine. That's all I need.
So you know who that is?
Okay.
No, I'm asking. Yes or no?
I don't know him personally. I don't know her personally.
You know it is.
Okay. Are you saying you're transitioning?
No, I'm saying I know him, and yes.
Her, it's a her now,
it
right?
doesn't matter if I'm transitioning or not.
I'm just asking, I don't know, that may be maybe a reason why we're having difficulty identifying you.
I have my California ID.
So, California, okay.
What am I being indicted on?
I can't speak for California, but when somebody asks you, if you ask me the question, I'll answer it. This is not an argument, I can explain it to you.
It's not an argument.
Okay, I can explain. You ask me a question and I'm going to answer it for you. Okay, there's no argument, I'm not going to argue with you.
And just so you know, you're being arrested for criminal trespass and resisting arrest. I just told you. So building 36, unit 203.
I'm asking you a question. You're being...
Criminal trespass and resisting arrest.
Why am I being trespassed from Starbucks?
So you were
just sitting there buying a coffee.
You didn't buy a
What are you guys
coffee.
talking about?
You didn't buy a coffee. Okay.
Okay,
So-
if I'm still just sitting there, why am I being arrested for trespassing?
Because you refused to leave after being told to
Nobody
do
said
so.
anything to me. Nobody
they did.
said, hey, you need to leave. Nobody
Yes, they
said
did.
that.
Okay, so you're being
Do you
trespassed.
understand? You guys are the first person that came to me, said, hey, you need to be arrested.
Okay, so a copy will go with your stuff.
First
Okay.
of all, nobody
Criminal trespass requires 3 elements: unauthorized presence, knowledge that permission is absent, and prior notice to depart, followed by willful refusal. The notice element is the central legal dispute. The supervisor approached the subject, once found her unresponsive, and called police without issuing an explicit verbal instruction to leave. Under common law, commercial entry carries an implied revocable license. Revocation requires communicating withdrawal of permission directly to the subject. Without documented communication, the trespass element is legally incomplete, and the charge is vulnerable at trial. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. The Fourth Amendment permits custodial arrest for misdemeanor offenses. Officers had statutory authority to arrest. The legal question is not the authority to arrest, but whether the predicate offense was complete at the moment physical contact began. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. Force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene. 3 factors govern severity of the crime: whether the subject poses an immediate threat and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to flee. Applied to this case, the crime was a nonviolent misdemeanor, the subject posed no threat to third parties, and physical resistance did not appear until after officers initiated contact. Force that precedes resistance rather than responds to it requires closer constitutional scrutiny under Graham. Resisting arrest is a derivative offense. It requires a lawful predicate arrest as a foundational element. If the trespass charge fails on the notice element, the resisting arrest charge becomes legally untenable as a matter of statutory construction in most U.S. jurisdictions. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 4511987. Verbal speech directed at officers, including profanity and expressions of contempt, is protected by the First Amendment. The subject's verbal protests throughout this encounter constitute no independent basis for any criminal charge. The officer's reference to a specific transgender public figure following the subject's pronoun objection implicates the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. Documented conduct reflecting discriminatory motivation can support a civil rights action under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 for selective or biased enforcement. If the notice element is found insufficient, all legal consequences follow in sequence. The trespass charge fails. The resisting arrest charge becomes untenable. The force loses its Fourth Amendment justification under Graham, and the subject acquires a viable Section 1983 claim for unlawful seizure. The notice element is the constitutional foundation of this entire encounter. Lesson for citizens under Terry v. Ohio: 392 U.S. 11968 individuals must comply with lawful police directives first. Legal challenges belong in court, not at the scene. Physical non-compliance converts a potentially dismissible misdemeanor into compounding charges with a documented resisting arrest record. Lesson for officers: probable cause for trespass requires documented communicated notice. Confirming with property representatives that explicit verbal notice was given before initiating arrest strengthens the prosecutorial case, reduces exposure to Section 1983 liability, and establishes a clear record that the notice element was satisfied